An earthquake of magnitude 3.2 occurred in the morning on Tuesday, May 16, 2023, at 11:49 a.m. local time near Denham, Shark Bay, Western Australia, as reported by Geoscience Australia, GeoAu. According to preliminary data, the quake was located at a shallow depth of 6.2 miles. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. Magnitude and other quake parameters can still change in the coming hours as the agency continues to process seismic data. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, which listed the quake at magnitude 3.2 as well. A third agency, the Citizen-seismograph network of RaspberryShake, reported the same quake at magnitude 3.2.